Hello! Alright, next lesson. Today, we're going to be talking about multiplying and dividing polynomials. So basically, these two are multiplication and these two are division. So what this means is I'm going to take this monomial here, 3x, and I'm going to multiply it by this polynomial, more specifically, two terms. This is a binomial. This is 3x times 2x plus 4. So a long time ago you learned all about something called the distributive property, which means you multiply this by this and this by this. So thinking back to multiplying monomials, you times the numbers and add the exponents. So I'm going to have 3 times 2. I'll write this out for you so it's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to have 3x times 2x, which gives us 6x squared times the numbers, add the exponents. And then I have 3x times 4. So 3x times 4. We multiply the numbers and add the exponents if necessary. In this case there isn't. So it's just 3 times 4 is 12, and then there's an x hanging out. Now, these are both positive, so all I'm going to do is write them side by side, this one first and this one after it. So the answer is 6x squared, 6x squared. Now is it going to be plus or minus? This is positive, so I just put plus. Plus 12x. And there you go. That's the answer when we multiply this monomial by that binomial. We get 6x squared plus 12x. Next one. So the order of this one has changed a little bit. Instead of having the monomial first, we have this binomial. Now, sometimes kids don't like that. So if you don't like the look of that, feel free to just rewrite it as 4r 3.2r plus 1. And then apply the distributive property, this times this, and this times this, and you'll get your answer. So 4r times 3.2r is 12.8, add the exponents, r squared, and 4r times 1 is, what would that be? Yes, just 4r. So the answer to this is 12.8 r squared plus 4r. How do we know it's plus? Because this is positive, so we just chuck a plus sign in there. Done. So 12.8r plus 4r. Or pardon me, 12.8r squared plus 4r, done. So those are how you multiply monomials by polynomials. Division, we're going to apply the same rules as earlier. You're going to divide the numbers and subtract exponents. So this is going to, now what you can do here is split this up. So you can go 5x squared divided by this minus 10x divided by this. So what it looks like is 5x squared over 5x minus, because that's where this came from right here, minus, and then this over that, 10x over 5x. So now that you simplified it like this, you've got basically two monomials, this one divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. Divide numbers, subtract exponents. So our answer is going to be 5 divided by 5 is 1, x squared divided by x is just x. So we're going to have x. And then we're going to, on the other side, we're going to have 10 divided by 5 is 2. Anything divided by itself is gone, so the x's disappear. So this is just 2. And then, so it's got to come in between here. So the answer is x minus 2. And that's it for that one. So this thing simplifies to x minus 2. Last one. All of these we're going to divide by 2. So if you'd like, and to keep things organized, just rewrite it. 12m squared over 2 minus 6.2m over 2 plus 24 over 2. And then just simplify each one. This is going to give us 6m squared because 12 divided by 2 is 6. This is going to give us 3.1m because 6.2 divided by 2 is 3.1. And plus 24 divided by 2 is 12. And that's it. That's all you have to do with multiplying and dividing polynomials. Good day.